What's up, my shooting stars? It's Chase the Star. Today I'm going to be unboxing another Matchbox car, and it is the Audi R8. And without further ado, let's unbox this Matchbox car. Alright guys, here is the Audi R8, and this is the 2007 Audi R8. And honestly, this car looks pretty awesome with the shiny silver. Alright, here's the front. Looks pretty awesome, and I like how the license plate in the front says Audi R8 and the logo on the front. And it also has it on the back. And also, it also says Audi R8 on the back license plate. And this car looks absolutely outstanding. Absolutely does. So yeah, that wraps up this unboxing and review video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.